been coming to Christine for 2 sessions so far, and I've been dealing with issues, long time issues, for 15 years long, and in the hands of Christine, they evaporated literally on my way to becoming and being the person I always wanted to be. There were these obstacles in my way, and now I have the access to myself, to feeling that vulnerability and connecting with people on a very vulnerable and healthy level. I don't have an armor to protect me, and thanks to Christine, I am becoming the person I always was meant to be. Thank you, Christine, and I feel free. And that is the whole point, to